Need to turn off your Apple Watch? It's super simple and you can do it in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you to turn off your Apple Watch in two methods. So without any further delay, let's get started. Method 1. Using the side button. Press and hold on the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Power off slide will appear. Next, tap on the power icon from the top right corner. Slide the power icon from left to right. Method 2. Using settings. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch, tap General, scroll down to the bottom, tap Shutdown. Next, tap on the power icon from the top right corner. Now slide the power icon from left to right. And that's all for today. These are the methods to turn off your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, drop them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Goodbye for today.